A very charming good morning to all my petines. How are you? Are you all fine? Okay. Now, yesterday we have done our topic sentence, and yesterday we have done page number 25, but today we will do page number 26. But before 26 page of grammar book. Topic is the sentence. But before coming to that, we will have a quick revision of has or have. As 2-3 parents said कि we want to have a revision of has and have. So we will have a quick revision of that. First, use of has. Has is used with one person, one place, one animal, one thing. So use of has is used with one person, animal, place or thing, and have is used more than one person. Have we use with many. Now you can see here, and I and you, we always use have with I and you. Suppose I am saying I have a pencil, तो what I have used have with I के साथ मैंने क्या यूज़ किया है have, तो I के साथ have यूज़ होता है और किसके साथ होता है you. अगर यही पेंसिल आपके पास है तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी you have a pencil. What I will say you have a pencil. तो I और you इन दोनों के साथ तो have ही यूज़ होता है. We use have with I and you. और किसके साथ यूज़ होता है more than one person. Now these two students, as you can see here, these two students, they are saying कि we have many books. Can you see these two students? ये दो से ज़्यादा है ना, दो या दो से ज़्यादा. जब एक से ज़्यादा होंगे, चाहे वो दो हों या उससे ज़्यादा, तो वो क्या बोलेंगे we have many books, we have many pencils, जो भी उनके पास होगा. तो क्या लगाएंगे हम we have, I you उसके बाद में we. ठीक है, we के साथ भी हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ पर have. अब जितने भी वर्ड्स हम लिख रहे हैं we will use have with these words. Now next, see these girls. Can you see these two, one girl and one boy? They are having toys. So what we will say, they have toys. What we will say, they have toys. और किसके साथ लगेगा they have, they के साथ THEY, they. Okay. Now next is, you can see here two girls. What you can see here, two girls. तो अभी girls यहाँ पर plural हो गया ना, एक से ज़्यादा हो गया, तो हम क्या लगाएंगे the girls have dolls. ठीक है, एक से ज़्यादा जब भी होंगे तो हम क्या बोलेंगे the girls have dolls. तो इन सब के साथ में गर्ल्स ठीक है, इन सब के साथ में क्या लगेगा have. ठीक है, I, you, we, they और more than one person. More than one person we use have. Now I'll tell you where we use has. कहाँ करते हैं हम has का use? With one person. Like here you can see this boy is having a pen. This boy is having a pen. So what I will say, he has a pen. What I will say, he has a pen. ठीक है, तो ही के साथ हमने क्या यूज़ किया हैज़. ही सिंगुलर है. अब ही शी भी सिंगुलर है. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दिस गर्ल. कैन यू सी हियर दिस गर्ल? दिस गर्ल हैज़ अ टॉय. अभी सिंगल है ना, तो शी हैज़ अ टॉय. क्या बोलेंगे हम यहाँ पर शी हैज़ अ टॉय. Okay, next here द कार, कैन यू सी हेयर कार, कार भी सिंगल है। द कार हैज़ 4 व्हील्स, आपने चैप्टर में पढ़ा था ना आपने आई हैव व्हील्स वाले में, कार के कितने व्हील्स होते हैं 4। द कार हैज़ 4 व्हील्स, कार तो एक ही है ना, कार के लिए हमने लगाया हैज़, व्हाट वी हैव रिटन हियर हैज़, द कार हैज़ 4 व्हील्स। द कार सिंगल है, कार हैज़, तो क्या लगाया हमने इसके साथ हैज़, 4 व्हील्स, WHEELS, ओके। हेयर ऑल्सो सी सिंगल नेम, किसी का भी नेम हो लाइक दिस, सोनू, दिस बॉय इज सोनू एंड सोनू हैज़ अम्ब्रेला, तो क्या लगाया हमने इसके साथ हैज़, किसी एक सिंगल नेम के साथ क्या लगेगा हैज़, चाहे वो बॉय का नेम हो चाहे वो गर्ल का नेम हो। RELLA umbrella, तो सोनू इज अ सिंगल पर्सन एंड वी हैव यूज्ड हियर हैज़, ठीक है, सिंगल पर्सन के साथ हैज़। ही शी द कार सिंगल, सोनू, सोनू इज ऑल्सो अ वन बॉय, तो हम इनके साथ में क्या लगाएंगे हैज़, ओके स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ वी विल डू आवर वर्क इन आवर ग्रामर बुक, वी विल डू टुडे पेज नंबर 26। Now we'll start our page number 26. As we have done page number 25 yesterday, there we have done 4 sentences. What was there in these sentences? First letter should be capital and at last there should be full stop. We have done 4 sentences. Now today we will do from 5th sentence. Shivani wrote a letter. Shivani is a name, so here first letter should be capital. We will write here like this. Shivani wrote a letter, LETTER, and at last what we have to write full stop, we have to put here full stop. Next is Saurabh plays cricket. Saurabh, again it is a name, so we have to write first letter capital SAURABH. Saurabh plays cricket, 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 so we will put here at last full stop. Next is students are shouting in the class. Here again first letter is small, so we have to write here first letter capital. Students, STUDENTS, students are shouting, shouting, OUTING, shouting in the class. Again full stop we have to write. Now these 3 sentences you have to do yourself, okay, 8th, 9th and 10th. Now exercise 3, look at the picture and complete the sentences given with each one of them. Here pictures are given and you have to complete the sentence and we have to pick the words from this table. In this table some words are given. First it is given here pencil, dress, children, table, Qutub Minar, teacher, milk, car, chocolate, dancing. Now one sentence is written here and at the end there is one picture. We have to see what picture is that and we have to write there the word in the blank. First is given for you and it is done also. The book is on the dash. Where is the book lying? On the table. So it is already given. Next is Akanksha is wearing a beautiful, what she is wearing? She is wearing a beautiful dress. So we will write here dress, DRESS, and it is written here. Okay. Now you can see it is written here. Now next is dash are playing together. Who are they? Children. It is written here children. So we will write here children are playing together. C capital, CHILDREN, children are playing together. At last full stop is there. Next is dash is situated in Delhi. What is this? What picture is this? This is a picture of Qutub Minar. QUTUB, Qutub Minar, MINAR. Qutub Minar is situated in Delhi. Next is Sarika is dash. What Sarika is doing? Sarika is dancing, and it is written here also dancing. Can you see? Dancing. So we will write here dancing, DANCING. Now we have done this 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. This you have to do yourself. You can see the picture here and words are written here. Okay. Spellings of these pictures are written here. Chocolate, pencil. Okay. Everything is written here. Now you have to do this yourself. Okay. This is your homework. Okay beta. Thank you.